Upon receipt of your new GeneSys mid-size scrubber, it will need to be unboxed and removed from the pallet. This video will explain the proper way to unpackage the machine. It is critical that you make sure the packaged machine is positioned so that there is plenty of room around it, especially the short ends, so the machine can be driven off the pallet with no obstacles. The only tools that will be needed to unpackage your new GeneSys is a sharp instrument, such as scissors or a razor knife, a Phillips No. 2 screwdriver or power driver with No. 2 Phillips bit, and a 9/16" socket wrench. Begin by removing the box from the pallet, lifting from one of the short ends over the machine. Then remove the loose boxes and squeegee assembly from the pallet and set them aside for now. We will be accessing these items once the machine is removed from the pallet. Next, use your sharp instrument to cut the bands that secure the machine to the pallet and carefully remove them. At this time, the batteries need to be connected so that you can power on the machine. Access the battery compartment by lifting the recovery tank to the open position. The manual pack is located in this compartment. Betco always recommends a full review of the manual for safety and operational information. This is a good time to reference the safety notices when connecting the batteries. You should notice there is a loose red lead wire and an open positive battery post. Remove the nut and washer from the open battery post and place the loose wire over the post, followed by the washer and nut. Tighten the nut with the 9/16" socket wrench, making sure that it is snug, and then slide the plastic cover into place over the connection. Finish by lowering the recovery tank back into the closed operating position. The next step is to remove the wheel and squeegee blocks so that you can drive the machine off the pallet using the ramp. Locate each block and remove using the No. 2 Phillips screwdriver or power driver. Once the blocks are removed, lower the ramp provided. Next, access the machine key in the manual package and insert the key in the switch on the rear lower panel of the machine. At this time, reference the manual for details on how to power on and activate the machine. We will demonstrate this for you here as well. Turn the key switch to the on position. Then, raise the scrub deck to the transport or up position by turning the knob or pressing stop on the touch encoder on the upper control panel. Once the head has stopped, be sure that the speed control is set to low and that there is plenty of room beyond the ramp to back the machine down without obstacles. At this time, carefully back the machine off the pallet and down the ramp by pushing the activation trigger forward. Now that the machine is off the pallet, it is time to unpackage the squeegee assembly and, if you have a disc scrub deck, the pad drivers. Unwrap the squeegee assembly and remove the 2 pad drivers included from their boxes. The machine is now ready to be prepped for operation. Be sure to read the owner's manual carefully and also watch the GeneSys operation video at betco.com to learn how to prepare and operate the machine safely.